Imagine your PC running cool, quiet, and looking downright slick, with a full-color display sitting right on the CPU. Sounds wild? Then stick around until the end, because today we're checking out a real highlight among all-in-one liquid coolers. If you're building a high-end PC, you need high-end cooling, and that's exactly where this AIO comes into play. With its massive 16.5-inch radiator, it provides plenty of surface area to keep even the hottest processors under control. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or rendering videos, the three 5.5-inch RGB fans don't just deliver strong cooling, they also add serious style to your case. And yes, they're surprisingly quiet. In idle, you can barely hear anything, and even under full load, the noise level stays pleasant. But the real star, without question, the LCD display on the pump head. A razor-sharp 2.1-inch panel that you can customize however you want. Temperatures, GIFs, your own images, whatever you like. It's not just a gimmick, it's a true eye-catcher in your setup. Installation is also very smooth. Thanks to the included mounting kits for Intel and AMD, everything comes together quickly. The tubes are long enough for large cases, and the included Commander Core Hub makes control through Corsair's iCUE software a breeze. Speaking of iCUE, here you can tweak absolutely everything. Fan curves, pump speed, display output, RGB effects, and more. If you love fine-tuning, this is your playground. Of course, we're talking about a premium product, and the price reflects that. This AIO isn't cheap, but the performance absolutely matches the cost. If you have a compatible case and the budget, you're getting top-tier performance. So, if you want to give your PC the best of the best, check out the offer in the set video description. It's worth it. So, what are the concrete pros and cons? Pros: extremely strong cooling performance, ideal for high-end CPUs. Customizable LCD display with brilliant image quality. Quiet operation, even at higher speeds. Fully controllable via iCUE software. High build quality and 5-year warranty. Cons: very expensive, not for small budgets. The large radiator doesn't fit in every case. The display is a matter of taste and may be unnecessary for some. Some users report occasional display failures. If you're looking for a powerful, stylish, and well-designed AIO liquid cooler, this model deserves a very close look. The price is steep, no doubt, but in return, you get top-notch technology. Be sure to check the offers in the video description. And if you enjoyed this review, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments. Which component is an absolute must for you in a high-end PC?